Hi everyone, I'm Jenny. Today, I decided to record this quick video to take all your questions regarding Ocuprime. I saw a lot of information here on the internet that does not match with the reality of occupying. Then for you not to lose money or regret the purchase, watch this video to the end. The first thing you need to know is the original Ocuprime is only sold on the official website of the manufacturer. It is not sold on any other site, and for you to have real results with Ocuprime, buy it from the official site. And to help you, I left the official site link here in the description of this video. I have seen several people asking, what is Ocuprime? Does Ocuprime really work? And the answer is yes, Ocuprime does work, and most importantly, this is all proven by clinical research. After many laboratory tests, the researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will support your vision health with a blend of 24 powerful ingredients, carefully selected from nature. In the creation of Ocuprime, over 60 clinical studies have been conducted to find the ingredients to optimize eye health and vision, help prevent cataracts and other degenerative problems, promote eye health and prevent associated infections and diseases. The 100 natural formula fights the cause of the disease, not just its symptoms, and is designed to be a great alternative to conventional treatments. The formulations, vitamins, minerals, and plant extracts are FDA approved ingredients and are manufactured in a GMP-certified and FDA-approved laboratory using non-GMO capsules. The whole formula includes vitamins and minerals that bring benefits to your vision health. Ocuprime provides vitamins and nutrients to your eyes and helps fight the root cause of vision problems by improving blood flow to the eyes with more oxygen and nutrients. Thousands of people are having great results with Ocuprime. And you can have good results too. There are many real testimonials from people with great results after using Ocuprime. Most people already feel the improvement after the first week. And the most important of this video, pay attention. For you to have all the benefits of Ocuprime, do the treatment correctly, use as indicated by the manufacturer. You will have all the benefits of Ocuprime with only 2 capsules a day, one at breakfast and one at night. The capsules are small and easy to swallow, but you need to keep in mind that each person reacts in a different way to the treatment, each one in its own time. And for you to have all the benefits of Ocuprime, you need to take the treatment seriously. And the best thing about buying from the official Ocuprime website is that if you are not satisfied with the product, within 60 days you can ask for a refund of your money. Its 100% natural formula fights the cause of the disease, not just its symptoms, and was created as a great alternative to conventional treatments. To its formula, vitamin, minerals, and plant extracts. Its ingredients are FDA approved, and it is manufactured in a GMP-certified and FDA-approved laboratory using non-transgenic capsules. The whole formula includes vitamins and minerals that bring benefits to your vision health. Ocuprime provides vitamins and nutrients to your eyes and helps fight the root cause of vision problems by improving the blood flow to the eyes with more oxygen and nutrients. So guys, I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful about the website you are going to buy Ocuprime from, and second, if you buy the product from the original website, do the treatment properly, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from anyone else, and your results depend solely on you, so follow the treatment correctly. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Hope this video helped. If you have any questions, let them know here in the comments, okay? And don't forget that the official website is here in the description. Thank you very much, and thank you all.